And you can also offset a plane from a surface. So, I was trying to split these entities, to being coincident with the construction line, but the thing is that, it's really hard to see, but, because there's a little plus, a little indicator that pops up there. That's how I split these exactly on the line. But at any rate, it doesn't matter because you got to put relations there on it. So it's like this. Man, I can't believe. So he had me draw this construction box, which I, use that, that convert entities command to, I'm actually not aligned with it. That's actually an outline of the cube there. And then he had me draw construction lines between the corners, and then, just all that just so I could place a fucking circle. I'm like, man, why don't they have a fucking snap, that you can go from the midpoint here to the midpoint here, or be able to infer lines or something? I mean, really, it doesn't have that? I mean, maybe he's just demonstrating a point, but I don't know. I mean, Jesus Christ, it just seems like I could have, hit a midpoint function and just selected the two corners and voila. But I guess part of the reason for that, though, is that, I don't know, though. I mean, is this geometry, okay, on edge of part A, yeah. I mean, this is probably coincident in some way, or dependent in some way on the edge of that part. So if it is, and if this cube ever changes, this will change. That's probably why he's drawing all this geometry, because it establishes all these relationships. I thought it was kind of retarded at first, but maybe that's what he's doing. Like I said, it's inconvenient, but remember, this isn't just flat out freelance CAD. I mean, you're trying to establish parametric relations here, so I think that has a lot to do with it. Okay, interesting. I tried, selecting this node and then selecting a point there, but the problem is it'll put it anywhere on the face. So apparently, but it works, if I select a node and then click on a surface, but I can't click on an edge. I guess anything that highlights, if you click on it, it'll allow you to put the point anywhere you want on it. In the Loft command, what we're doing here. So we're extruding the, face of the cube to a circle here. Okay, now looking at the profile of what we just did, when you have this situation, you have a couple of other options available. The curvature to face and the tangency to face. Now if you watch this, as I increase it, it's doing it fine until it hits 2, and then after that it starts going 3, 4, 5, etc. So that's interesting. And I guess you can change the direction of it. So, again, interesting. If you notice, too, normal profile creates a similar view. It's not exactly the same, but it creates a similar result. I guess that's left on tangency to face, so. Okay, apparently a quick test to see if surfaces are tangent is click the fillet command. If you select an edge like that and it doesn't do anything, that means the the surfaces are tangent to each other, so, because this is a tangent to face. So, but apparently that's a quick way to test. Let me hide this plane. That's a quick way to test for tangency anyway. Okay, now we're going to create a plane using that, and the corner on the cube.